Hi everyone and welcome to another unboxing video. This is going to be a little different. It's a mail haul. This was an item I got off eBay. The auction was just called Retro Vintage Trading Card Collectible Card Game Job Lot. I had a quick look at the pictures. I'll put some screenshots up on this video of what the pictures look like. They weren't great pictures. You can't really tell what's in the lot. Starting bid was £10 and I won it for £10. There was no description either, it just said sold as seen, which is fine. So I literally went off the limited pictures there were. You can't really see what the cards are. There was some exciting looking things in it. For example, this picture, there's a back of a Doctor Who CCG card in there, and I'm hoping it's what I think it is. I have no idea whether it will be the card I think it is, but I'm hoping it is. So I'm going to open this up now and show you what is in this lot, basically. So this is all the cards. They wrapped it very well. I did ask them to wrap it well. So the cards don't get damaged. I mean, they could have put them in a box, but I don't think they're too bad. So, like I said, I've no idea what's in this lot. I did notice some promos for some games, so I'm hoping there'll be some decent cards in here. Now, some of these cards I will probably have no idea what they are, so I might be asking for your help in the comments. So, first of all, we have these two cards. These look like Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I'm not an expert on Yu-Gi-Oh. They have got a hologram in the bottom here, so I'm hoping they're real. But yeah, they're from 1996. So again, I'll have to look those up to see if they're worth anything, whether they're promos. I have no idea. No idea at all. Yeah, Witch of the Black Forest and Frontier Wise Man. Then we get some really old Japanese Pokémon cards by the look of it. Again, no idea whether these are real or not. They're just ancient. I'm presuming they are real because of the age. That's weird. The Pocket Monsters card game, 1996. These are vintage, very vintage. I'm going to have to do some research on this because, again, I don't know whether this is what they're supposed to look like or not. Yeah, cool nonetheless. Then we have a pile of these cards. These are Monster Rancher collectible card game. I think I've vaguely heard of this card game. I've never seen any cards from it before. Again, it's got like a hologram or foil stamp on it. Bad Food, Errantry, R&R, Whoops, Big Smackdown, Call to Battle, Black Dino, Blue Hair, Captain Black Dino, Captain Zoom, Clade, Daton, Datonair, Dino, Dragon and Gangster. Again, no idea rarities or anything. Oh, it does actually say on the cards here, uncommon. See if we get any rares. Look like they're all uncommon, so those are rare cards. That's a rare. Common, uncommon, uncommon, common, uncommon. 3 rare cards there. So again, I'll just have to do some research on this game. I have no idea if it's got value at all. But yeah, cool to get some rare cards. And we get some Robot Wars battle cards. I didn't even realise there was a Robot Wars card game. A kind of top trump shape. They probably are like top trumps by the look of it. There's loads of stats and things. And there's some rules, object of the game cards by the look of it. So it looks like it's just like top trumps. Loads of different robots. I recognise that one, Matilda. Again, no idea if there's any value to these. I'll just have to do research afterwards. Then we get some Buffy cards. Now I used to collect Buffy, and I think this means it's like a limited edition cards, so they're the more rarer because it's the first ever printing of them. This set is Pergamon Prophecy, PP. So it's the first ever set, so I don't know whether it's a starter deck. I know this came in a starter deck, so I'm presuming someone's bought a starter deck, and that's what all these are. Is you've got like a Spike card here. There's a Buffy card there. So there might be some rare ones in here. These ones I might just do a bulk lot of Buffy cards, because it just looks like it's a starter deck, so it's probably not really much value to these ones. I'll have to do research. Next, I think we get some Harry Potter. I did notice some in the pictures, some Harry Potter cards. I've never had Harry Potter cards before. They seem to be quite hard to get hold of. Well, not hard to get hold of. Some of them sets are quite valuable now. So again, the Star, I presume, is a rare card. Like other Wizard of the Coast, there's a promo stamp there on this one called Bluebell Flames. So again, I'll have to do research to see if it's valuable or not. Another promo here, Strategy Session. Some of these cards may have come in magazines like Scry. I know when I was younger and collected Scry magazines, I literally had a pile in a box of random rare promo cards from games that I didn't collect. In the end, I did sell them off on eBay in the early days of eBay. So that's what's happened to those. Another promo here, Snape's Question. Wingardium Leviosa. So again, I'll have to go card by card on eBay just to see if any of these are worth anything. But yeah, cool nonetheless. I get some Harry Potter cards. Next, it looks like there's some Lord of the Rings. Again, I used to collect this a bit. The first few sets of Lord of the Rings. These look like they've been played a little bit. There's some play wear on there. These are just common cards though. Let's see if there's any promos. Commons. This is from set 3 and set 6. There's set 2 there, so there's literally a few random common cards. I don't quite know where they've got those from, but yeah, they're all common, those cards. Next we get this card called Redhorn Gate. I don't know which game that is. There's no other information on it apart from the artist. Don't know. It's Tolkien, so it's part of Legend of the Five Rings. That makes sense. We get some more here. Again, I don't know the rarity of these cards. Deadly Dart, Block, Dagger of Westernness, Sword of Gondolin, and Cave Drake. Again, all Middle-earth. Next, I recognise this. This is a Scry promo card. I remember this card. It's called Cell's Domination Drill. It's from the Dragon Ball Z or Dragon Ball Z card game. And again, I think when I sold this on eBay in the past, that it's got some value to it. So I'll try and find out value for that. But yeah, that's a cool card. This is one, I think I saw this on one of the pictures, like the edge of it, and I recognised the name of it. So again, that was a plus point of me bidding on this lot, because I recognised the card and knew it was a promo. You get this, it's Jackie Chan Adventures. Again, not sure I've heard of this card game. It's a later card game by the look of the date, from 2003. It's numbered number 33, so it's probably not anything special. Then we get a card called Clansman Chief. This is from Champions. Again, I'm not sure if I've heard of this game or not. I'll have to look it up. And another card by the same set by the look of it, Knight Gareth. I don't know if these are scratch off. They look like those, you know, like on lottery tickets. You scratch off the numbers, which is unusual because they've obviously got a limited play value if that's the case. But looking at them, it looks like they're scratch off. Strange. Then we get this card. It's called Seas Through Stars. And Seas Through Stars. Is this Rage, maybe? I'm not 100%. Possibly it's Rage card game. Again, another one here. Guardian Spider. This one is Rage, and it's the same design as this, so I'm presuming it is Rage. Then we get Doctor Who CCG, and I thought this might be a promo card, but it isn't. It's a giant robot, which is common, and a time card. I was hoping, because I saw the Scry promo from Dragon Ball Z, this might be the Exterminate promo from Doctor Who, but it's not, unfortunately. That's a shame, but never mind. It was worth the punt. Next, we get 2 cards of Tahu. One's foil and one's not foil. And it's like it's Lego Technic 2001. Again, no idea. Oh, it's Bionicle card game. No idea. Next, this might be Galactic Empires. Yeah, it is. Now, I've heard of Galactic Empires, but I've never played it. You can still pick it up really cheap. People have always moaned about the artwork on these cards being quite basic. I mean, it was in the infancy of card games back in 1994. So that's why some of these images aren't the best. The cardstock's rubbish as well. You can't really separate them very easily. Again, no idea on rarities. I'll just have to search each card one by one. Then we get some football. Well, this is a sticker from 2021, so these aren't vintage. I don't know why he's put these in with a lot. Again, not sure what I'll do with these. Probably just do a bulk lot of stickers. I doubt there's much value to these. I'll literally just put them on an auction and see what happens. There's a couple of shiny ones there. Then we get some, I presume these are Match Attax. Yeah. Again, these don't have dates on, but I'm presuming they're quite recent. There's a Panini one here. Adrenalyn. This is dated 21-22, so these are really recent. So again, not quite sure why you put them in with the vintage trading cards, but I don't mind. I might just auction off the stickers and cards all in one lot, maybe. There are some shiny ones. It's Panini. So I'm going to have to go through these properly and just sort them out because they're all mixed together. But I think all the rest of them are these football cards, which is unfortunate because these don't have much value at all, to my knowledge anyway. There's an Eden Hazard here, it's limited edition, maybe that's worth something. I'll look it up and see. But yeah, these are just football cards. If you see anything amazing, like that maybe, in these lots, let me know. Because obviously my knowledge isn't that great with football cards. There's a foil there. Yeah, that's all the rest of the cards. They're all football cards, which are rubbish. So yeah, a good chunk of those are these football cards. So still over half of them are vintage. Those are the football ones, and then you've got all these, and there's the Robot Wars. So at least half of them are these vintage CCG trading cards. Bit unfortunate about the Doctor Who, but it was taking a complete gamble on the lot. And I have got other cards I know are worth money in there, like the Dragon Ball Z one. Maybe these are worth money, because all these are from the 90s. Apart from, I can't remember when the Harry Potter game came out. It's about 2001. But yeah, the promos from Harry Potter, maybe they're worth some money, I don't know. But yeah, a great interesting lot, none the same. I hope you enjoyed watching this slightly different video to normal. And other than that, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Take care, bye.